Hey, welcome back to Colemon's Kitchen Ideas. So today we're actually going to be making cornbread, but I'm actually going to kind of upgrade it a little bit. I kind of have that taste sometimes for fair food like corn dogs, I don't know, pigs in a blanket with cornbread. I don't know, but it's just that time of the year. It's kind of getting chilly, and that's kind of like what I think about. So I figured I'd take a box of Jiffy cornbread, upgrade it, add some cheese, something fun with it, and I figured I'd share it. So if you have any cool ideas too with cornbread, please message me and let me know. I would love to try it. So anyways, let's get started and I'll show you what I came up with. Okay, so we're back. So what we're gonna actually use is Jiffy cornbread, and it's pretty easy. I'm just gonna follow instructions, but I'm actually gonna add in some pancake mix to make it nice and fluffy. And I'm actually gonna add in some cheese, some shredded cheese, and then I'm not gonna do this to all of them, but I'm also gonna have some jalapeños that kind of look kind of crappy. They're about to go. I'm gonna add some in there too. All right, so here goes stuffing. Alright, so I'm just going to pour in my cornbread, just as if I would be reading the instructions. This one seems like it's adult proof today. Alright, here we go. And I'm going to add in an egg. There we go. And then I'm going to add in some milk. And then I know this sounds really bad, but I'm a sucker for adding a little bit of sugar in my cornbread. And this would be the day that I would not eat dessert, so I'm gonna add in about two teaspoons. Okay, maybe 3. Alright, perfect. And then this is the next part. I'm gonna add in some fluffy buttermilk pancake mix. You can use whatever kind of pancake mix you like. I just like to add it in there because it doesn't make your cornbread so crumbly when you add in pancake mix. There we go. And about a half a cup. I'm so used to measuring it myself, so. And then I'm just gonna mix it up. Really nice and yummy. Maybe add a little bit more milk because I'm actually gonna add in a little bit of cheese. And that's pretty much it. I mean, this recipe is pretty straightforward and easy. I'm gonna add in some cheese. I let this cheese sit out a little bit so it's a little bit soft, but you don't have to do like I did. I just like to let it sit out a little bit so it's easier to mix in to your cornbread mix. And that's pretty much it. So I'm not gonna add my jalapeños to all of it because all of us don't eat jalapeños because I'm doing it the cupcake way. So I'll show you what they look like when we get back. Okay, so I'm back. So I actually went ahead and filled my cornbread mix up in my pan. And I'm actually going to add in my jalapeños on this step. Like I was saying, everybody in our family doesn't eat jalapeños. And I'm gonna add actually a little bit more cheese in there and make sure it has that cheesy cheese. So this one, I'm just gonna stuff them right in there, lay them on top, push them all the way in there, like hide and go seek. And that's pretty much it for this step. And then I'm gonna bake it in the oven just as if the instructions are on the box. Jiffy cornbread. And I think it's at 350, so I'm gonna leave them in there for a while until they puff up really nice and pretty. All right, so I'll show you the end result once we're done, and then that will be it. All right, so as you can see, they're done. They're super hot. These are the jalapeno pepper ones with extra cheese. And these are just my plain ones with sugar. So I hope you like this easy recipe of upgrading your Jiffy cornbread or just any kind of cornbread. So yeah, like, share, subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. And you have a great day. Thank you.